Hey guys, this is Skyforce95 here. So I have a double unboxing here because these two products really go together. It is a dash car mount video system. So this is for the front, this is for the rear. The cool thing about the rear camera though is that it doesn't require a separate power source, so it doesn't need to take up two outlets. You just need to hook it up to the front camera and you're good to go. So since this is just an unboxing video, I'm not going to actually obviously give you my review. That's in a separate video when I have a chance to test it out. But as usual, I'll put the product links to both of these items in the description as well as in the comment section if you're watching this on YouTube. So let's just take a quick tour around this box. This is the front facing camera. So here's the contents inside. So it does have a nice wide angle lens and it can shoot in 1080p. It also has a G sensor like most dash cams. That is if your car is parked and off, but if it senses a significant amount of motion, then they will actually turn itself on and start recording. Say somebody like hit your car when it's parked and you're away, something like that. And feel free to pause this video at any time if you want to read in more detail. Let's just go ahead and just open this up. So here is the power cable. You see it goes into your car's auxiliary jack and it's by micro USB. Looks like it's a pretty significantly long cable. And here is the camera itself. So it has a nice little color screen so you can see what the lens is seeing, which is right here. Looks like this is where you can attach the mount. Menu, OK, as well as playback options, select options. There's a power button here and also I think a manual record button as well. And you can actually adjust the angle of the lens based on your windshield. And so there's the mount. So it goes on just like that. And we also have some user guide manual. Part of it is in Chinese, part of it is in English, but it looks like it has pretty nicely laid out diagrams, which is pretty nice. Not present, however, is an SD card, which would insert right here. Actually, this is a micro SD card that you need to buy yourself. And up here you have the connecting port that you can actually use to hook up the rear camera. There's a charging port, micro USB, and also an AV out if you needed it. And you can see the reason why it's a mount, not just a direct sticker right here, is so that you can remove the camera and then take out the SD card if you wanted to view the footage on your computer or something like that. Alright, so that's the front camera. Now let's go ahead and open up the rear camera. Alright. So here's the rear camera. It's really tiny. It doesn't have any kind of, I guess, night vision that I think this one has. So this one is not as great for nighttime and whatnot, but at least it still is able to shoot in full HD. And I assume this is also a wide angle lens. So this one's obviously you mount it on your rear window. And the 3M strip is right here, where you again can adjust the angle like this. And this is where you would plug it in to here. So you plug it in here, you can see just like that. And that's pretty much it. You can take a look at the literature in here. It's pretty much just the instructions. You can see specifications, it tells you how to mount. A lot of it's in other languages as well. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. As usual, I will be doing a full review when I have a chance to test this out. This is just a preliminary overview of what this thing includes and what it doesn't include, which is a micro SD card, so make sure you factor that in. And because that this cable will be running from the front to the rear of my car, you also might want to consider some cable management, which I'll obviously be showing in my review video as well. So stay tuned to that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95. Or also follow me on my Amazon product reviewing page, same name. Well, that concludes my unboxing video, but make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to see the review when it comes out. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. that'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.